Mirrorless cameras and DSLR cameras are amazing, but I'm here to show you and tell you that you can get some amazing shots with your iPhone, which I'm shooting on right now. For those of you that celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays for everyone. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button down below. Much appreciated, and let's roll to the video. So how would you describe that amazing feeling you get if I were to gift you a brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max for Christmas? That incredible, satisfying feeling, that's how I want you to feel when you hit that subscribe button for more photo-centric tech content. Make sure to hit the links down below from my Instagram at AAA Pro to follow me there to see the best of my work. And of course, until the next video, bada bing. That was weird. Bada bing. Bada boom.
Sleigh bells ringing.